Bismillah wa salatu wa salam ala nabiyyina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam. Amma ba'd. Ahabati fillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I just wanted to make an announcement that we're going to start 2 new durus or lectures series. One will be on Mondays, and that will be the conditions for La ilaha illallah, the shurut of La ilaha illallah, based on the core text from our Sheikh Ubaid Al-Jabari rahmatullahi alayhi rahmatin wasi'ah. So we'll use Sheikh Ubaid's explanation of the conditions for La ilaha illallah, and that will be at Monday at 6:25 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. On Thursdays, we will have at the same time, 6:25 p.m., we will have our study of our Sheikh's book, Sheikh Abu Salah Al-Afghani, the book, This is Islam. And we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for success and tawfiq, and it will take place on this YouTube channel and also on Facebook, bi'idhnillah ta'ala. Wa sallallahu wa sallam ala nabiyyina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam.